Tesla stock technical analysis. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Tesla stock on Nasdaq from April 16th to July 14th, 2025. Let's unpack the charts and see what's driving this electric vehicle titan. General overview and trend. TSLA kicked off at $241.55 on April 16th, dipped to a low of $227.50 on April 21st, and soared to a high of $367.71 on May 29th, before closing at $316.90 on July 14th. The stock showed a volatile uptrend with a strong rally in late May, followed by consolidation and a late dip, reflecting market dynamics in the EV sector. Price and volume starting at $247.61 volume, 112.4 m. On April 16th, Tesla hit a low of $222.79 volume, 97.8 m. On April 21st, then surged to $367.71 volume, 88.5 m. on May 29th. A notable spike occurred on June 5th, at $284.70, volume, 292.8 m, indicating heavy selling pressure, followed by a recovery to $348.68 volume, 190.7 m, on June 23. By July 14th, it closed at $316.90, volume, 78.0 m. Volume peaks in early June suggest institutional activity, or news-driven trading. Moving averages. The 5-day SMA rose from $239.83 to $306.79, and EMA from $239.83 to $310.68 by July 14th, tracking the price closely. The 20-day SMA, $317.92, and EMA, $314.54, indicate a leveling trend, while the 50-day SMA, at $317.35, confirms a neutral long-term trend. The price oscillated around these averages, reflecting consolidation after the May peak. Technical indicators. Momentum. RSI 14 dropped to 50.97 on July 14th from a high of 81.32 on May 14th, signaling neutral momentum. Williams R14 at -58.32 suggests potential for a bounce. Momentum 10 at -6.73 and ROC 14 at -9.11% indicate a recent slowdown. Trend. MACD at -2.75, with a histogram of -1.28, shows bearish momentum fading. ADX 14 at 20.95 reflects a weakening trend, while Arun oscillator at -64.29 supports a lack of strong direction. Volatility. Bollinger Bands tightened, with the upper band at $345.19 and the price below the middle, $317.92, on July 14th. ATR 14 at 14.90 indicates reduced volatility, consistent with consolidation. Volume. OBV at 1.29b shows accumulation, but slowed recently. Chaikin oscillator at 61.3 m suggests moderate buying pressure. Oscillator. Stochastic K5 at 83.06 and MFI 14 at 48.14 indicate potential for an upward move within a neutral range. Linear regression. TSF 14 at $298.77, below the $316.90 close, suggests the price is slightly above its trend line, hinting at a possible pullback or stabilization. Next trading day opening price prediction with a $316.90 close, VWAP at $309.67, and neutral indicators. Expected July 15th opening between $314 to $319. Low volume and RSI near 50 support a stable open. Support and resistance. Support lies at $312.67, July 14th low, and $300.71, July 1st close. Resistance is at $323.63, June 27th close, and $327.55, June 25th close. Breaking $319 could test resistance, while a drop below $312 may find support at $300. Intraday ATR-based high and low ATR 14 at 14.90 projects a July 15th range of $302 to $331.80. Low volatility suggests tight intraday moves. Possible scenarios bullish. Breaking $323.63 could push Tesla to $327 to $335. Bearish. Falling below $312.67 may test $300 or $293.94. Neutral. Consolidation at $314 to $319 is likely. I lean neutral due to fading momentum and volume. Additional consideration: the June 5th volume spike, 292.8 m, likely reflects a reaction to EV market news or earnings. Monitor short interest and sector sentiment for volatility cues. Conclusion: TSLA's journey from $222.79 to $367.71 shows its volatility, with a $316.90 close signaling consolidation. Indicators suggest a neutral outlook, with support at $312.67 and resistance at $323.63. Watch $314 to $319 for July 15th. Stay tuned for EV sector updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more.